Is your leadership team really performing at its best, or just appearing to? Hi, I'm Ali from Talent for Performance. We help leaders take a closer look because what you see on the surface isn't always the full story. You might have a team that's inspired but ineffective, or one that's productive but lacking passion, or worse, driven but divided. The T4P Clarity³ Model reveals 7 distinct team states, and most leadership teams aren't operating anywhere near their true potential. When alignment is off, the whole business feels it through wasted effort, poor morale, and slower growth. In our 45-minute workshop, we'll show you how to diagnose where your team really stands and how to move from potential to high performance. Join us at 12:30 on Tuesday the 22nd of April and let's discover what's possible when your leadership team is fully aligned. Click the link to register now.